With wildfires across California, many insurance companies are pulling out of certain zip codes and even entire counties.
It's making it very hard for homeowners to get that coverage that they need, of course. And CBS 2's Christine Lazar takes a closer look at the issue tonight.
Long after firefighters are able to extinguish the flames of the fires burning across Southern California, homeowners will be dealing with the fallout when it comes to getting and keeping their home insurance.
This is the first time that I can tell you, in my almost 30 years of doing this, that there are areas throughout California, literally from Northern Cal to Southern Cal, where there are large blocks of areas that there are simply no insurance companies writing new fire insurance.
Within the last few weeks, insurance companies have named hundreds of zip codes where they will not renew, increase coverage, or write new policies. Shiloh Ovadia and her family are in escrow on a home in one of those zip codes in Porter Ranch.
I've been told by everybody that we're in a brush area and basically got a bunch of declines.
Ovadia's insurance broker, Sarah Cohen, finally found her coverage.
And it's like 3 times more than like a typical policy or what I was expecting to pay.
If a homeowner can't find coverage, their last resort is the California FAIR Plan. But the FAIR Plan only offers fire coverage, so you have to get a secondary policy to insure for things like water damage and theft.
I just quoted somebody today, and between the two policies, they're looking at about $4,200 a year, and that house should be about $1,500 or $1,600 a year.
Rex Frazier is the president of the Personal Insurance Federation of California. He says insurance companies have been forced to limit coverage because regulators won't allow them to increase premiums high enough to cover the risk.
From 2010 to 2017, California's insurance premium, the average insurance premium, went up 10.6%. Whereas in the United States, it went up 53%.
And the outlook is bleak. Carl Sussman of Sussman Insurance Agency expects the list of zip codes to grow.
As long as we have the quantity of fires happening that we do right now, it's going to definitely get worse.
Both brokers say homeowners need to get out their policy and make sure that they are not underinsured. And ask your insurance company if they have any plans of dropping you. If they say yes, shop around now, don't wait. Christine Lazar, CBS 2 News.